Hi guys, in this video, lesson number 8 in your virtual Spanish class, we will cover the numbers 1 to 20. Let's go! Spanish numbers or los números may seem complicated at first, but once you recognize the patterns, they are quite easy. So let's start the lesson with the numbers from 1 to 10. First we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One more time, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And one thing to note is that uno is used when we are counting. However, when placed before a masculine noun, for example, if you wanted to say one car, you would drop the O at the end and say un auto. Yeah? If you were referring to a feminine noun, for example, one table, the O changes to an A. So we have una mesa. If you haven't done so yet, check out the previous video which dealt with noun articles and which covers this topic in a bit more detail. So next we have the numbers 11 to 20. For these we have 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's review. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. One thing to note is that the number 16 or 16 has a written accent mark. And now I have a tiny challenge for you. What I want you to do is to tell me the number of items you see in the following images. So the question I'm asking is cuántos or cuántas hay, which means how many are there. So cuántos is used if the items are masculine and cuántas is used if they are feminine. So again, reminder to check out the previous video for more details on this. So to answer, you would have to say I, which means there is or there are, and indicate the number of items that you see. So for example, ¿cuántos gatitos hay? How many kittens are there? Hay dos gatitos. There are 2 kittens. Or do you think that the number is different? If you do, let me know in the comments. ¿Cuántas flores hay? How many flowers are there? Notice that we use cuántas here because flores or flowers is a feminine noun. So, hay 6 flores. There are 6 flowers. And finally, ¿cuántos globos hay? How many balloons are there? Tell me that one in the comments. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you see guys, the numbers are pretty easy once you get familiar with them. And how do you do that? Practice, practice, practice. So don't forget to practice and also like, share and subscribe. See you guys in part 2 of this video where we learn how to count up to 100. Adios.